How to fix a problem was detected with the TrueDepth camera Face ID has been disabled. In order to fix this issue, what you want to do is, first of all, head over to the settings of a device. Inside the settings, move into General. Now scroll all the way down and you'll get to see the option where it says Transfer or Reset iPhone. Click on it. It will land you on space. At the bottom, tap on Reset. Well, you have to reset all the settings, so tap on Reset All Settings option. Now enter the passcode of a device. And then enter the passcode of your screen time. Now if you tap on Reset All Settings, your settings will reset. After that, it might fix the issue that you have been facing. But if you're still having the issue, then the next thing you want to try doing is tap and hold these assistive dots. And then you have to tap on Restart. Most of the time, restarting the device has fixed the issue. So check whether the issue has been fixed or not. If it has been fixed, then you will be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can fix a problem was detected with the TrueDepth camera Face ID has been disabled. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.